When cleaning the machine now, first remove the egg tray. Then open this door. After opening, you'll see the shell remover. There is a slot below which locks with the door panel. You can also remove it for cleaning. Then take off the top cover. You can lift it off easily. Next, the front cover. There is a spring latch here. Move it to the side. Then you can remove it. This is the frying slot. Now pull this tray out. It slides out smoothly. There is a holder on the side of the machine where you can fix it. These are the top and bottom frying plates. They cannot be removed, but there's enough space for easy cleaning. This is the discharge area for cooked eggs. There is also a cover here. Move the cover to the left side. It will separate easily. Pull this part out. You'll hear a small click sound. Then, move the same part on the top side. Here we have the egg opener. It's used for cracking raw eggs. So, after use, it also needs to be cleaned. When cleaning, this angle is reachable for wiping. If you find it inconvenient, you can turn on the power and move the opener outward. That makes cleaning easier. Clean both parts at the same time. Here's how to do it. After turning on the power, go to the control panel. Press Next Page. Then press Next Page again. Now you're in factory settings. Enter the password, 3/8. All machine settings can be adjusted here. Then go to the next page. And again, at this page, some functions are locked because it's in auto mode. We need to switch to manual. After switching to manual, press Next Page again. Then you can find the control for moving the part. Click the button on the top right. Click it. It moves a little each time you tap. Just a small move, but if you need it to move more, hold the button down. Then it will open further. Adjust to the right position, then start cleaning. After cleaning, press this button. It resets automatically. That way, all main parts are cleaned. Everything is done. That's the whole process.